Hello, my name is Bob Willis and welcome to Book Review. Every couple of months I take the opportunity of reviewing new textbooks that have been sent to me by publishers from around the world. In addition to reviewing new books, occasionally I put out my top 10. Now, my top 10 reference sources may not be up to date. There may be books in there that are 5 or maybe 15 years old because in some cases the fundamentals of assembly technology doesn't change. But if you've got a good reference book and you're starting to get into this industry, you need to start from scratch. You may know the latest technology, but there's a lot of underlying technology you need to know about, particularly in the world of soldering, cleaning and conformal coating. It's been done for many years, successfully, but again, technology changes around it. Now, something completely different. Soic and Friends is a group of books written around electronic components. So SOIC, SOT, SOT, you understand. And the first publication, SOIC and SOT, the microchips, shows you the journey from the components, the packaging, the assembly process, right into a functioning product. But it's for kids, so it's beautifully illustrated, showing the components, the friends, and telling their story as they move from position to position, place to place, through the manufacturing process into a product. Two other publications which have also been released, which come into the series, is TSSOP, ZAPPED, basically looking at static electricity and how that can affect electronic components and what can be done about it, and MSOP and DPAK, and looking at high temperature and the effect and how these components can actually prevent failure and damage of a product. Now, they're kids' books, they're designed for kids, to get them aware perhaps of what you're doing in electronic manufacture by using common terminology, and possibly as engineers using this terminology on a daily basis, it might be easy to then associate it with a kid's story. It's a nice concept, beautifully illustrated, and some nice simple storylines. The other benefit of this particular group of publications is they're being made available through little tree libraries, and the idea is to try and get publications that are freely available and easily available worldwide. So the organisation has teamed up with Little Free Library and Bookaid International. Again, if you've seen a textbook that I'm not aware of, please let me know. Occasionally publishers forget to send out textbooks to people that regularly review them. So again, it's always useful to have other people telling me. And of course, if you're writing a book yourself or writing a book with a group of friends, again, make me aware of what you're doing to support our industry. Now, the next publication, Die Attach, for high temperature applications, deals with the interconnection of die to substrate, to packages, to a variety of different materials. It looks at some of the existing materials that have been used within the industry for dissipating heat through packages, and it looks for some of the more advanced products. It looks at the effect of the bonding process and the reliability, but also obviously the manufacturing process. Now, with so much interest in high temperature, and really when we talk about high temperature today, we're talking in excess of 150 degrees C operating temperature to 200, maybe even to 300 degrees Celsius. So if you're working in these fields, knowing what is being used to control and maintain reliability within inside the packaging is very important. But understanding the processes that you may have to use if you're working in this particular field and some of the issues concerned, and obviously the reliability, is very important.